Hi, welcome to your channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I'm your host, Dr. Ghosh, and I'm back today with an awe inspiring story for all of you. The story I'll be sharing with you today is about a young girl of 11 years old who showed tremendous courage, presence of mind, and generosity, and saved another 7-year-old girl from being trafficked. You want to listen to the story? I'm sure. But before we do that, for those of you who are coming on to the first time to my channel, Generous, Gracious, and Gallant, let me share with you a brief about this channel. This channel was started in 2015 on Facebook as a buy invite only private group, and today there we have about 825 members. On WhatsApp, we have an additional 125 members, and on YouTube, we have about 455 subscribers as on date. Our YouTube channel, which started in May 2020, this was started on YouTube to share inspirational stories with you during the ongoing COVID 19 pandemic. Our mission is to change the thought process and strengthen the moral fiber of the present and coming generations. And how do we do that? By sharing daily inspiration on Facebook and WhatsApp, and sharing with you the stories of mankind at its very best on YouTube. Could I request all those of you watching this YouTube video to kindly press the like button, press the subscribe button, and share these videos with your friends and family so that you, along with your friends and family, can join our mission of strengthening the moral fiber of the coming and present generations. Friends, success is assured when one lives by the eternal human principles etched in stone, such as integrity, honesty, respect, diversity. Sometimes success might arrive a bit more slowly because following this principle is not an easy task, and recognition of the same takes some time. However, success is assured and it's permanent in nature. However, please understand, success may also be achieved by not following these human values and principles and by adopting shortcuts, by totally disregarding these principles. But that success can only be short lived and is a slippery slope to failure. Be rest assured, the only way to success is by following these eternal human values and principles. Now, coming to our story, the inspirational young lady I'm speaking to you about is all of 11 years old Carolyn Malsaw Longi. She won a bravery award for her act of courage of rescuing another minor girl of 7 years old from human trafficking. And thereafter, she not only shared her award money, 50% of her award money, with the other minor girl, but also presented her with a silver chain and clothes. A very young girl of all of 11 years old displaying courage, presence of mind, and generosity. A totally inspirational young girl. Carolyn lives with her grandparents in Zongtang locality in Aizawl city in Mizoram. She was playing with her other friends on 10 June 2019 a game of volleyball when she noticed a young girl of 7 years old and an older lady. She thought they were mother and child and completely forgot about it. However, the next day, the police authorities visited the village and showed the photograph of this older woman and young girl to all the elders and children in the village, requesting for more information about them. Carolyn, on her own, remembering that she had seen them, went all around the city hunting for this young girl and woman and found them. She befriended the older woman and offered to take care of the young girl, which the older woman allowed. When the older woman got busy with other tasks, Carolyn lifted the young 7-year-old girl and started running. The older woman threatened Carolyn and started pelting stones on her. But Carolyn did not stop running till she reached her home and shared the story with her parents, and thereafter reunited the young 7-year-old girl who was from the neighboring Hautu village. For this act of bravery, she also received from the Community Health Action Network CHAN a certificate and a cash award of 5,000 rupees. Then in January 2020, she received a bravery award from the Government of India in January 2020. After receiving this award, young Carolyn went and handed over 50% of her award money, that is 10,000 rupees, and a silver chain and some clothes to the young kidnapped girl and her family. It is amazing that such a young girl of 11 years old had such presence of mind, courage, which not only led to the rescue of the young 7-year-old girl, but also led to the arrest of the 31-year-old woman who was Zonun Sangai Fanai for human trafficking. Friends, Carolyn is a totally inspirational young lady. She remembered that she had seen this kidnapped girl, launched a search for her in the complete town, found the lady and the young girl, engaged with the older woman trafficker, and then, upon getting an opportunity, took to her heels with the young 7-year-old girl on her shoulders. She was pelted by stones by the trafficker and even threatened, but she did not stop running till she reached her home. All these qualities in a young 11-year-old girl are totally inspirational, amazing. And then, upon receiving a national award, bravery award in January 2020, she shared her cash award. She also shared a silver chain and cloth with the young kidnapped girl who she had rescued. Some of the best human principles in action. What can one say but pay one's respects to Carolyn, who displayed the best qualities of mankind. Friends, I'm sure you like these amazing stories which I bring for you on the YouTube channel Generous, Gracious, and Gallant. I request you once more, please do join our mission of strengthening the moral fiber of the present and coming generation by subscribing to the channel and sharing these videos with your friends and family. Also, my dear friends, mankind is facing its biggest battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus. It is times like this that each one of us who has been relatively unaffected by this virus needs to be stand up and counted in the battle against this infamous COVID 19 virus. I am a strong proponent of the concept of difference to one. That means not all of us can make a difference to the lives of many people, but all of us can and must make a difference to one person in our community. That's enough. Your acts of kindness will go a long way in mankind's battle against the infamous COVID 19 virus. Friends, till we meet again with another awe inspiring story to keep you all motivated in these tough times. Good luck, all the best, take care.